Hello, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen. My name is Austin Mbemere, the innovative solution provider. Today, we're going to be providing innovative solution to our clients right here. They have insufficient power supply, and we want to augment that power supply and provide energy access leveraging on solar technology. So today we're going to be installing solar panel, inverter and batteries so that they can actually have an alternative source of power. And right here we have a solar panel. This is a tier 1 solar panel, Jinko to be precise, and this is about 550 watts and monocrystalline panel. So what that means is that this is manufactured of pure silicon, so the efficiency is very high, and we have so many of them right here. And right here we have 550 watts solar panel, and they are all going to be mounted on the roof. And right here we have the inverter that we're going to be installing, and the inverter is 10 kVA. So what we're going to have is 10 kVA solar system installed right here, and the batteries are all in there. We're going to be installing about 20 kilowatt hour of battery bank that will be charged by 6,600 watts of solar panel arrays. From inverters to automation, we've got it all. Rockview's here to answer the call. Rockview integrated, that innovation flows for a brighter future where the sun always glows. Solar power solutions with a name to know. Join us on this journey, let your power grow.